Want to jazz up your Kizomba footwork and struggling how to do it? I'm going to break down a little routine and show you how to add some styling, some flair, some personality so that you can do that on the dance floor too. Hi, I'm Mckiztosh, founder of Mckiztosh Dance, and welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things Kizomba and urban kids. So today I'm going to be showing you a small routine for your footwork. I'm going to show you it normal and then some ways that you can jazz it up, add some flair, add your own personality and styling so that you can incorporate that on the dance floor. It's going to be using your Kizomba basics but elevating it to a next level. So if you haven't got your basics yet, check out some of the other videos I have on my channel. I have a playlist actually labeled Kizomba tutorials. I'll leave that in the description box below so you can check that out, because I'm not going to go into the technical details of the basics that we're going to be using today. I'm going to assume that you know them if you're watching this video, and we're going to just work on them and add on them. So we're going to step back once, and you're stepping back on a diagonal. You're going to the side here, 2. You're going to do a balance, 3, 4. So that's changing your weight. One more time. So I've gone back on a diagonal. I step to the side and balance. So I'm just showing you the steps without any styling at the moment so that you can got them. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, I stepped the right foot out to the side and I change my focus now. So I'm facing the other side. 5. I step forward, still kind of on a diagonal, 6, and then I do another balance, 7, 8. So I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, I'm taking the right foot back. Here, I'm going to go into my big leg. We shuffle 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's on my right foot. I'm stepping. I'm trying to finish my circle. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Another balance, So from that last step that we did, actually let's do it all together. I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the new step, I'll go back. 1, I step. I'm turning towards my left shoulder. 2, I shuffle. 3 and 4. That's right, left, right. I step. Continue my circle. 5, 6, and I balance 8 to the side. 7, 8. Like that, which is the normal without the styling. One more time, and then I'll show you how we're going to add the styling. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back. 1, 2, shuffle. 3 and 4, 5, 6, and balance. Right? So let's get to the good part. We're stepping back. 1, 2. Here, you're going to step on a diagonal, and you're going to kind of tuck your pelvis up. So you need to use that muscle in the base of your spine, and you tuck your hips up here. So like a little bit of like a booty pop. So we've gone 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's on the and count that you do that pop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I change my weight back onto my left on 4 so that I can step 5. One more time. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. Again here. 7 and 8. So on the booty pop. On the and count. So we got one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Extra style you can do with your hands because we're dancing solo here. We can go. Remember, we're using movement in our hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I've got my right hand on my hip, left hand on my head, and I do the booty pop here. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From there, we're going into our Vigla. With the shuffle. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I shouldn't need to tell you, on this channel we are doing Jinga. We're using, when we do our shuffles here, we're using that muscle to go round. It's very small here. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Yes? So I've stepped back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and on the last balance day, I go 7, 8. So I do a bit of a fusion, a bit like a flowy, bachata-y type fusion here, where I take my chest up, and then I sit down into it, kind of like a half body roll kind of thing here. So the chest goes up first, and then I take my kind of shoulders and back here, and then I sit down into my left hip. So I've gone here whilst I'm doing a balance A. So I'm not just doing balance A here now, I'm going here, here. Change the weight to the right, left, or use the chest as you do it. Bam. So we go. Up the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. You can add your hands here, touching your body, sliding up your body as you would like to. One more time from the top. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. I'll show you one time from the front. We go 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We go 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. If you're liking this video, don't forget to give it a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. So we've done a variation where we used our kind of jinga, and we used like our hips, we used our hands as well. There's a variation that you can do more with the footwork, so I'll show you that one as well so you can give it a try. A lot of the styling that you do, you notice that you actually use the and counts. That's where you can style, especially when you're in a partner hold. That's when you're going to be able to style without interrupting the lead if you're using the and counts. So we're going to go and 1. So it's like you've got your knees kind of glued together and you take your foot up. Remember to kind of point the toe in your shoe. Don't just go up. Point your toe and it's like knees together, and you're going to flick it behind as you step. So I've gone and the flick is on the and count. And I land on 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, it's the same thing, lifting kind of heel to bum and the and count. So I've gone and 1, 2, 3, and 4. I step 5 as normal, 6, 7, and 8. That's again, we do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can still kind of merge the two with the hands as well as you do it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When I did that, I realized I actually used even more and counts because I kind of did on 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you can use a leg flick whenever that leg is going to become free. So and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So you can literally use that flick on any and count if you're doing a stepping sequence. One more time. And you don't have to use every and count. You can pick and choose when you do it. Here. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, we're going into our Vigla step, stepping back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Again, I just use it on the last one, the same kind of leg flick here. Just do that last part again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. All together, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. If you've got your arms flowy, it helps you as you're walking and turning. I'll show you from the front as well. 5, 6, here we go. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So I hope you found that video really useful, quick ways that you can add some styling, whether that's footwork, whether that's jinga, whether it's a bit of your chest into your dance using those and counts. Those and counts are your friend. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? You're going to miss out on my next video where I share all the top tips as I always do. I've been Christina Mckiztosh of Mckiztosh Dance, and I'll see you in the next video.